Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw bug reports from Typeform into Linear, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw bug reports from Typeform into Linear, first, log into your Typeform account. Navigate to the dashboard where your forms are listed. Select the specific form that you use for bug reporting. Once in the form, click on the Responses tab to view all the submissions. Here, you will see a list of all bug reports submitted through your Typeform. To export these responses, look for the Export button, usually labeled Export. Select your preferred format for the export, such as CSV or Excel. After choosing the format, confirm the export, and wait for the file to download to your computer. Next, open Linear and log into your account. On the Linear dashboard, navigate to the project where you want to import the bug reports. Look for the option to create a new issue. Select Import from CSV if you exported your Typeform responses as a CSV file. Upload the downloaded CSV file from Typeform. Map the fields from your CSV to the corresponding fields in Linear. Ensure that the bug report titles, descriptions, and any tags or labels are correctly aligned. Once everything looks good, proceed to import the issues into Linear. After the import is completed, check the newly created issues to ensure all details transferred correctly. Review each bug report and assign them to the appropriate team members for resolution. Finally, monitor the progress of these issues within Linear to ensure timely responses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.